pag po ba yung luthier, guitar, and specialist niya, pwede bang pagawa sa kanila? I think hindi. Kasi iba yung tools na ginagamit sa violin and iba rin yung ginagamit sa guitar, no? The only what do you call this? The only similarities between a violin and a guitar is that a guitar and the violin both have strings. Pero magkaiba yung tension, magkaiba nga yung quality ng strings na ginagamit, di ba? Magkaiba rin yung way ng pagpapatunog nila. So, I don't think someone who works on guitars could easily work on violin. So, better look for luthiers that specializes in violin, no? Meron din naman dito around the metro, parang sa QC, sa Bulacan, sa Las Piñas yata meron din. Hindi lang ako masyadong sure, but you could check Facebook, maraming gumagawa ng violin, no? But yun nga, Soundpost, kung Soundpost, I don't think may ganon yung mga guitar luthiers na sukat sa violin, kasi it's very specific, no? Yung sukat niya, magkakaiba yung sukat, no? Hindi pwede yung sa gitara sa violin. May mga iba gumagamit ng guitar string sa violin, but yung mag-aayos yung guitar luthier ng violin, I don't think they would have, even if they have the skills, they might not have the tools na kailangan, kasi it's very specific, no? Pang bowed stringed instruments, it's a different set of tools, no? And iba rin yung pag-set up nun, iba yung mga needs for that. So better bring it to someone who specializes in violin rather than bringing it to a guitar shop, kasi I don't think they could help you that much, no? And yun nga, sabi natin, if the cost of repairs is more than the cost of your instrument, at this point in time, it's just better to buy a new one. Usually ganun din yung sasabihin sa inyo ng mga luthier, kasi medyo mahal nga yung pagpapa-repair sa violins. So if your violin is on the cheaper side, mas mapapamura ka bumili ng bago kesa magpa-repair nung luma mo. So pag umabot ka na sa point na mas mahal na yung violin mo sa repairs, and then worth it na siya. Pero kung kunwari, yun na, like yung situation natin na tinatackle, the violin is what, 1,600 plus, diba? Pero ang cost of repair, sabihin na natin Soundpost, sabihin na natin 5 to 600 yung mumurahing Soundpost, something like that, plus yung pag-insert and pag-repair niya, baka abutin ka na ng mahigit 2,000. So is it worth it? Kung may sentimental value, maybe yes. Pero kung you just bought the instrument tapos kulang-kulang lang yung parts, maybe next time bili ka na lang ulit at the same price from a different supplier. So yun yung mga options, no? But it's still up to you kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. But I wouldn't recommend bringing it to a guitar luthier, just because you might just be wasting your time, kasi nga baka hindi rin nila maayos, or baka wala sila nung mga tools and parts na kailangan mo.